Hi guys, I'm Siri Pujita Devarakonda and I'm from Biotech Department from Karimnagar.
Hi guys, this is Sathik Endapalli. I'm from EC branch and I'm from Hyderabad.
And our goal is not enough.
Hi guys, I'm Siri Pujita Devarakonda and I'm from Biotech Department from Karimnagar.
Hi guys, this is Sathik Endapalli. I'm from EC branch and I'm from Hyderabad. First of all, coming to the campus environment, I will tell you in brief. Like I'm a very homesick guy. Like I used to go home every week in the starting 4 weeks. Then I liked the campus life so much that now I go once in a month. I guess that answers your question.
Coming to our campus, it is a 250-acre vast campus filled with greenery. We have a lot of places to chill out in the campus like Food Street, Times Square, etc. Most interesting part of NITW is that it is situated in the center so that we can enjoy the outside city to the max.
I mean, campus environment, trust me, it's one of the best you can have. Like there's a place called Times Square where we all sit and enjoy and chill out in the cool evenings. And there are a lot of places to hang out as well. Like there's a place 2 kilometers far called as TV Tower where we go on Sunday mornings. It's like a mini trekking experience. Trust me, like Warangal has one of the best campus lives.
Coming to hostels, the first and second years buildings are quite old ones, but when we go to third and fourth years, we'll get a better blocks to stay.
Coming to hostel, it is one of the biggest hostels in Asia. It is called the Ultra Mega Hostel 1.8K. The hostel is so good. It has 8 badminton courts, 3 table tennis courts within itself. And trust me, like the hostel, it's like very hygiene and neatly maintained. And coming to the best part, there is something called Amul, which is awake till 2 a.m. So if you're getting pizzas and burgers at 2 a.m., what will you complain for? And not forgetting the coffees and late hot chocolates we get during exams. They are our lifesavers.
Talking about mess, the food is okay, and all the girls in campus have only a single mess, and I don't want to comment much about it.
Coming to the mess, okay, let me be honest. Second year and third, I've heard from seniors that second year and third year have one of the best messes. And in first year, it was fine. It was eatable. I wouldn't say more. You can't expect more from a government college.
And if I talk about the acads, the faculty and everything else is up to the mark, excellent.
Coming to the classes, like first year classes happen in a building called as New Academic Building. We shortly call it as NAB. Classes usually happen from 8 in the morning to 5, it varies. Like few days it stops at 1, few days it goes on till 5. And few times there is a lab from 5 to 8. And classes are all chill, professor is chill, proxy to banta hai. So it's all cool.
NITW includes good diversity of people.
The sports. NIT Warangal has one of the best sporting facilities. It has indoor badminton courts, it has an indoor gym, it has volleyball courts, it has a kabaddi indoor map, and it has a specialized football court with an athletic track surrounding it, cricket nets. And there's also a multi-purpose ground beside the 1.8K hostel. I guess it has everything. The downside only being that it doesn't have a swimming pool.
And we have 2 fests, Technozion, which is technical fest, and Spring Spree, which is a cultural fest where people from all over the country come and join. But unfortunately this year due to pandemic, we were unable to celebrate Spring Spree.
Now coming to the next top, College Fest. I guess I've heard from seniors that our College Fest called Spring Spree is one of the best cultural fest around. But sadly it was scheduled from March 28 to March 27 to March 29th. And we couldn't have it because of this COVID pandemic. And coming to our technical fest, it is called the Technozion. Last year it was held on November 1 to November 3rd. It is one of the best technical fests in our country. There will be students from all over the country coming to this place. And I could remember seeing drones flying all around me, visiting various robotics workshops. Truly, it was an experience for all engineers.
It is a ragging-free campus and the seniors are very, very helpful.
Next, coming to the final topic, which is actually interesting for all of you, ragging. Yes, ours is a ragging-free campus. There is no ragging. Seniors are extremely friendly. And like whenever someone says there is ragging in NIT Warangal, tell them that NIT Warangal is a ragging-free campus. And yeah, trust me guys, NIT Warangal is one of the best colleges around. There are various places to hang out and very good food joints around. So if you're considering NIT Warangal, trust me, it's one of the best choices you're going to make in your life.
And I personally, when I studied my intermediate, my friends used to have NITW as a dream to get in. So yeah, do join and thank you.